The map view section is where you can view all the available layers visible on the map. Each section has folders within it to put order on the layers, and an information icon to give you more details about that particular layer. To view a layer, first find the layer you want to view and click on the toggle icon. This layer will then be visible on the map. Multiple layers can be turned on together if required. Layers that have been toggled on will be visible in the Active tab. Here you can change the opacity and reorder the layers as required. The Legends tab will show you the symbology for the toggled on layers. This can also be done by simply clicking on the map to reveal a pop-up showing information about that point and what that point on the map represents for all the currently active layers. If you toggle on an Earth observation layer, two things will happen. A time series slider will appear showing every available monthly image for that product, which you can view by sliding through the images or by clicking play to view in a sequence. The other thing is that all other available tools will appear in the top right hand corner. By clicking on the compare tool, you will now see a split screen view of two images. These images can be changed by clicking the satellite icon, choosing a year from the images and a month from the image list below. Once you have chosen an image, the map view will change to show that image. Zooming in if required, you can then see the changes side by side. By clicking a point on the map, this will then show you the value for that point.